자, 다음 헤드라인 가볼까요?
Amazon's promise to quit plastic packing has materialized at one facility, fulfilling a part of its promise to switch from using plastic bubble mailers and air pillows to all recyclable paper packaging.
상품 포장에 플라스틱 소재를 쓰지 않겠다는 아마존의 선언이 오하이오주 물류창고에 우선 적용됐습니다. 이로써 에어캡이 들어간 봉투와 비닐 소재의 완충재를 재생용지 포장재로 바꾸겠다는 업체 측의 약속이 일부 이행되기 시작했습니다. They're thinking more about the environment and
That's
they want
right.
to use less plastics. Right?
That's
and
right.
Even though it's not materializing all across the board, at least in one area, it's come to fruition.
Yes. So hopefully if the process for them or the protocol for them sets in at the Amazon Euclid Fulfillment Center, which is the first location, they will spread it out to other centers worldwide. So as I mentioned, the first location to officially transition from plastic packaging to paper is the Amazon Euclid Fulfillment Center. And every day, this location is set to ship out 100,000 packages. And they will now be packed in one of three ways. So boxes, a paper bag, or a padded option. And they say that it's all done by their newly rebuilt machines. And every machine looks at the order catalog before scanning the products, looking at the size, and then packing them in what it decides is most efficient and lightweight. And then it's going to be using the most eco-friendly packaging.
Sure. A lot of companies, both domestic and international, have already started to do this.
Yes,
and
that's
they
right.
use paper packaging or paper, not air pillows, but, sort of
Recycled paper
Yeah.
and those the paper strips so that it actually acts as a buffer.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
And so we want to look at those expressions here.
Yes.
First of all, let's look at materializing.
If something materializes, it means that it gains more substance. It becomes more concrete. It becomes a reality, something that becomes as planned.
Right. materialize라는 게 무언가가 구체화되고 실현이 되는 것을 말하는 거죠. 아마존이 말만 하는 게 아니라
Yeah.
실제로 이제 적어도 한 곳에서는 이렇게
Yes.
플라스틱 대신에 종이를 쓰겠다라는 거를 이행하기 시작했고요. An example of that would be instead of a bubble mailer
Yeah.
or an air pillow, they're going for paper packaging.
That's right. A bubble mailer is one of those envelopes that have the bubble wraps inside.
Right.
I used to love popping those things. But one thing that I would like to mention is that those bubble wraps are not recyclable. So although they are plastic, and it seems that it's like the plastic kind that you can actually throw away along with your plastic bags,
Right.
they are not recyclable. So they just go into the trash, which actually does a number to the environment.
Exactly. Bubble mailer라고 하는데요. M-A-I-L-E-R. 에어캡이 내부에 덧대어 있는 우편 봉투를 말합니다. 그다음에 air pillow도 이제 좀 덜 쓰고 이 오하이오 같은 경우에는 그 창고에서는 아예 이제 이런 거 안 쓴다고 하죠.
Yes.
What is an air pillow?
An air pillow is exactly what it what it sounds like. So sometimes you get a package and you open it up. You have kind of these plastic bags that are full of air.
Right.
So they're filled with air, but it's actually just plastic bags that are in the shape of rectangles. And you have rows and rows of that.
Yeah.
So it's, in essence, a bigger size of those bubble wraps. Whereas bubble wraps are really smaller circles, these look like pillows.
Yeah.
However, it's air inside.
그러니까 공기를 주입한 그 비닐봉지 포장용 완충재를 말하는 건데요. 그런 에어필러도 일단은 오하이오 창고에서는 쓰지 않겠다. 그래서 전부 다 종이로 만드는 recyclable paper packaging으로 바꾸겠다라고 얘기를 했고요. 다만 여기서 사람들이 그러면은 나머지 공장과 창고에서는 언제부터 언제까지 이거를 전부 다 종이로 바꾸겠느냐? 이건 아직 발표를 하지 않았다고
That's
합니다.
right. Well, I don't think they even know themselves. It's going to be hard to determine. They could have an ambitious goal. However, it's going to be difficult to determine.
It might take some time.
Yes.
Here's the headline one more time. Amazon's promise to quit plastic packing has materialized at one facility, fulfilling a part of its promise to switch from using plastic bubble mailers and air pillows to all recyclable paper packaging. Let's move on to the final headline.